Dispatch. Guys, babang open, racing Guimaras Alan, James Quick moving up, si Rookie, now to take the leader, it's now si Rookie, Guimaras Alan running in third, Hall Alan, so then followed by Purple Heart, while Prime Mover is running in the tail of the field, during the last 600, it is still si Rookie with 2 lengths lead, followed by Hall Alonso, moving up Purple Heart, in between horses, Guimaras Alan, 3 lengths back to Prime Mover, but CLC Rookie leads Balang. Here comes Purple Heart now in second. Hall Alonso running in third, down in fourth. Guimaras Alan moving up by Release Prime Mover. Towards up on 10 is CLC Rookie leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Prime Mover. Around the outside, Purple Heart, Guimaras Alan, Hall Alonso, but CLC Rookie leads by some 5 now, and up the wire is all the top favorites. Si Rookie winning this race to about 2 over Prime Mover, Guimaras Alan, Hall Alonso, and Purple Heart.
Top choice, si Rookie, ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating finish line for race number 4, ridden by Patty Dilemma. Then na segundo dyan yung numero 2, Prime Mover. Tercera yung 6, Guimaras Island. At pang-apat yung number 5, Hola Alonso. Panoorin natin ang instant replay itong race number 4.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Katialis, ginhawang mabilis, skin disease.